Okay guys, hello and good evening. Welcome back on my channel. And today it's really summer day, hot. I would say about 35, 34 degrees Celsius. And it's evening time, but it's still hot here in my garage. No matter what, I decided to do a little job. That little job, it's seems to be funny for everybody because that's absolutely has nothing to do with the summer. Summertime is summertime. We swim, pool, we enjoy it outside, outdoor. But the job I'm going to perform today is ready for winter time, and that's what I'm going to do is fix my sled. Actually, this is the sled somebody gave me, and I would say better be ready than sorry. Okay, so now I'm here in front of that broken part of the sled. This is European sled. However, it came broke piece of here, so I'm going to replace it over here. So take that fabric off. Those pieces make the new longer, long part of it. So the wood this sled are made from is the beech. It's a beech wood, and as you can see, this is a bended wood, and the beech wood is actually one of the best performed wood to be bent. Okay, however, we are short of we are lack of beech wood here in Canada, in North America as well. So European are pretty well source of that wood. Now, going to do that, so I'm going to disassemble this part here, and make the new stick. I would say this is about 3/4 inch by 1 inch thick. Because I don't have the beech wood, I will use either oak or probably ash. I might have it. Okay, so let's start to do some work on it here. So this is original tie, which I'm going to take you off, just like this, loosen it up here. So why it came here at this time? One of my friend called me another day and asked me if I'm not interested to have a sled. I not, because my kids are grown up and myself not. So he said, all right, if you can fix it, I can fix it. So he can give it to somebody else. All right, let me start in here. Okay. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Let's pin it here. Yeah, that's what happened. Probably heavy butt was sitting on it and jump it, so break the piece. Okay, so that's normal. There we go. I'm gonna keep it for size reference and take another parts. Well, I remember days not long time ago was really cold in here, and I had the heater here, everywhere heater. Now I need a air conditioning, but not in the garage. So that's fine. Well, that's a part of nature. nature is beautiful, so I like it when we have the 4 seasons, like here in Canada. Okay. By the way, today is June 30. Tomorrow is Canada Day, July 1st. So happy Canada Day, and it's really hot. Yeah. So let me get ready everything and get a new part. This part is going to be replaced. Staple it here, and we are going to sledding tomorrow. Hello. Okay, so let's continue here on a project which was sled projects for summer time. Okay, and still hot. And now as I mentioned it yesterday, so broken pieces, I'm gonna replace it with a new one. There is a birch, and as I noticed before, this part, this this wood was lacquered, and so that's why I'm going to use the same thing, polyurethane lacquer, to protect it from the moisture. So I put the one coat here. It's still not completely dry, but it's okay. Once I'm gonna put it on the sled, then I put a second coat on it, and then tie it with the screws, not the screws, with the nails, and put a second coat of the varnish. Alright, put the piece. I already pre-drilled the holes for the screws, the same as was the broken parts, the pieces. So let me do it and put it in here. Okay, so it comes on here, here. I'm going to use the same type of screws here as was removed. Okay. Onto the, I'm going to start here in summer in the third one. Well, you know what, maybe I will use the pair of pliers to tie it. Okay, that's better. As I said, I'm going to put another coat of varnish on it, so keep it from moisture from the wet snow, and we are ready to I go over the red straight stripe. It doesn't hurt. It's even good. Stick it on. Okay. So that's about it. Now I would like to try it, which is alright. When you look at the weather, it's cloudy, plus 34 degrees Celsius, and we are going to try to pull the sled on the grass. Okay, so let's see. Okay, works perfect. I like it. Now let me sit on it. And yeah, good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the winter on the sled.